Hi everyone, welcome back to FIXBOND. Today we have a high-end power bank that's completely dead due to water damage. But before we get to the electronics, we have a bigger challenge: the teardown. Most premium power banks don't have screws, making them very difficult to open. If you're not careful, you can easily puncture the battery or crack the casing. In this session, I'll show you my professional step-by-step teardown process to safely access the internals. We'll then dive into the motherboard to fix the short circuit and corrosion. If you're looking for the quickest way to dismantle and repair your device, this is it.